Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how to load and visualize multiple images. At the end of the video, I will show you how to visualize all the images, how to display all the images in the file. So let's start. First, I will clear all the output. Here we need to import globe to access the file path of the all images, and then we will import cv2 to read the images, and matplotlib.pyplot as plt for the visualization purpose. First, I will show you how to read and visualize a single image. So first we need the file path of the image. So this is my image in TIF format. I will use cv2.amread to read the image and plt.amshow to display the image. So first we run this cell, shift enter. Now run this cell, shift enter. Well done, we loaded a single image and we displayed it. Now we will read all the images. So first we will change here. This is the folder path and we are using asterisk for all the images. Now we'll see that what globe.globe does. So run this. This gives us the list of path of all the images. This is a list. Now we will use this globe.globe to make a list of images. So to load all images, I will use list comprehension, and I am here making images as a list, and here I am using cv2.amread to read all the images. So here image for image in globe.globe, and I'm taking here file, this file path that we have taken here. This will make a list of all the images. So run this. So to check the type of these images, I will use type. It is a list, and how many images inside this we can check using len. So 69 images inside this list. To display one of the images, I am using plt.amshow images, then 50th image. Run this and you will get it is our 50th image, but we need to display all the images. So for that thing we have to make a figure. First we will define figure. So I'm taking figure plt dot, then I will define fig size equal 8 by 8. Suppose I'm defining this 8 by 8. You can see here figure size is 576 by 576 pixels. You can change here and you can see the differences, like when I write here 7 504 and this. Now we will add subplot in the figure. So for that thing we need rows and columns. So I defined 2 rows and 3 columns. You can define any rows and column. And to add plots we will use fig dot add subplot, and in that we have to give 3 arguments. First one will be rows, second will be columns, so and third is our index, and I am using j plus 1, and I will make a for loop for j in range, and it will take rows into column, and obviously it will start from 0. So run this and check. Okay, good. It gives us 2 rows and 3 columns in a figure. Now we made figure and added subplots. Now we'll add the images. Now we will display the images in these 6 places. So for that, plt.m show, and I'm using images here, jindex. Run this. Okay, so we displayed first 6 images in a figure. Here it is a single figure, and in this figure we have displayed 6 images. Now we want to display all the images. So for that, what we will do, we will make an outer loop for I in range 0, starting from 0 to obviously length of the images, and it will take a step of rows into calls, and we'll make changes here, I plus j, and other changes plt dot show only. Okay, I think everything is okay. So run this, and you will see that first 6 images are displayed, next 6 images are displayed, then next 6 images, and by this, in this process, you will see all the images. Still it's going on until all the images will be displayed. You can see here. In the next video, I will show you some basic arithmetic operations on the images. We will see addition, subtraction, and all other operations on the images in OpenCV and NumPy. I hope this video is helpful for you. I request you to please subscribe my channel and like and share this video among your friends.